Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 controller is not connecting to the PlayStation. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So to fix this problem, the first thing we want to go ahead and try doing is completely power cycling our PlayStation 5. So I can see it's turned on, indicated by the white light. If it's in rest mode, simply press the power button right here and turn it on. Then completely turn off the console by pressing and holding down the power button. I'll hear one beep, and then a second beep like 4 seconds later. Now this will manually turn off the PlayStation 5, and we're going to flip it around, and we're going to unplug it from the wall outlet. So now, grab the power cord, and unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, and then plug this back in. Then flip around your PlayStation 5, press the power button, and turn it back on. And then go to your PlayStation 5 controller and press the PlayStation button and see if this actually connects now. Now if your controller is not connecting after hard resetting it, grab a USB cable like this and plug it into the front USB slot. Then plug the other end into the controller and press the PlayStation button, and you can see my controller is connected. So I had it connected to my PC before, which was a teal light. Then it was charging, orange light, and now it is blue light connected to my PS5. And another thing, and if it's not connecting via USB cable like that, go ahead and try getting a proper charge before connecting it. So I have a USB cable over here that's connected to a wall outlet, and charge up your controller for about 10 to 15 minutes before plugging it in. Now the reason for this is because when you're connected with a USB cable, you still are connecting via Bluetooth, so sometimes your controller may not be charged up properly. Before you try turning it on, just give it a simple charge. Then, another thing is to reset your controller. On the back of your PlayStation 5 controller, there is a small pinhole located right here. And we want to go ahead and take a toothpick and hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds. And this will disconnect your controller and reset it. And then go ahead and press the PlayStation button and see if it reconnects. So let's press this button, and you can see that my controller is already connected to a second player. So if I continue to hold this down, it will go ahead and turn off the controller and reset it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.